Hello guys! What I have to do now is mag-unboxing tayo. It was from GT Express. GNT Express. Fast your online business. Tapos may email sila dito sa baba. Ang laman nito, guys. Ang laman nito ay isang box. Isang box. Ito in-order ko sa online. I will see if it was good or bad. I tried to put it up. It was still sealed. Look. It's still. More. This is only one. I will show how it looks like. And we use scissor to make it easy. We guess what I. Hello everybody. Good evening everyone. Look at that. My God, this is only small one. I thought this is big, but it was a small one. This one was expensive. It was $4.99. Look at that, guys. Walang kukurap. I don't know if there is instruction. Walang instruction. Let's see. Wala siyang instruction. This one is sealed. Sealed pa siya kasi may plastic pa, guys. Imoldabi pa. Imoldabi. Hindi nyo mababasa, guys. Imoldabi. Mayroon siyang paano gawin, instruction, and then instruction. Tapos ito yung paalala. Excuse me po. And this one naman ay yung itsura niya. Huwag kayong kukurap, try natin buksan. Huwag kukurap, guys. Pero sale pa siya. Sale. Babala, mag-iingat sa kaka-order ng online. The product is iMold Davi. iMold Davi. It's for smile. Tingnan na natin, guys. Huwag kukurap. Ayan pala yan, guys. Punong-puno pala talaga siya. Marami pala talaga to sa loob. It was 30 ml. Ayan siya, oh. Hindi niya mababasa. 30 ml siya. Ito, malalaki. Ay, hindi pala. Pilipino, ano, this one. May word pala na, guys, malabo siya. Malabo. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Meron dito. Maglagay ng tubig na medyo mainit. Tapos ilagay ito. Tapos i-mix, haluin hanggang sa mabuo. Tapos pag nabuo na, pwede mo na daw i-mold. Ilagay. Since meron ako dito, isa. Gawa ako ng isa. Marami pala to, parang bigas siya, guys. Ayan siya, guys. As you can see. Mamaya, guys, i-search ko nga muna. Sige na. Kung harmful ba, kung harmful ang product na to. I-ano natin sa tanong natin kung mabasa niyo ba yung kanyang name? Alaboy. Yung name niya is iMold. Moldable. Hindi mabasa eh. Moldable daw. Search natin na iMoldable. Tingnan natin kung ano yung product na to. Okay siya. Na-review ko pa, guys. Excited na din akong gumawa ng para sa akin. Moldable product. Hello. Guys, since this one is new sa akin, pag bibili ako, tinitignan ko muna yung product. Tinitignan ko muna yung product sa Oh, ayun! So, nakita ko nga online sila dito online. Makikita mo sa wala akong masabi guys kasi hindi ko pa siya nasusubukan, but maybe tomorrow I'll make another video this one kasi gusto ko rin i-update sa inyo kung this one is good or bad. But they said it was okay. This one was okay. I will see the result for tomorrow. Yeah, and I will make also video so that you will know and we will know about the product. For me, right now, because this was new for me, ang masasabi ko lang is nakita ko sa YouTube, hindi ko alam kung this one was imitated or but titignan ko bukas kung ano yung magagawa ko kasi kung isang ipin guys, sorry ang magagawa siguro nito mga ilang ipin lang, pero okay na rin, at least merong ganito anyway guys, I would like to say thank you guys for the full support of everybody, especially the people, my family, my subscriber, my group mate sa GC, at lahat ng mga part of my family, cousins, everything, friends. I love you guys and thank you so much for your full support, and I would like to say everyone of us will be happy. Enjoy everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in our next